If standard reinforcement locks will not fit your door type, there are practical alternative hardware and fitting options that maintain security without forcing an incompatible lock. Start by assessing the door and frame construction in detail so you know whether the issue is width, thickness, glazing, inset panels, metal composition, or an atypical jamb. For doors that are too thick or thin, look for adjustable or universal fit reinforcement plates and strike plates that allow you to reposition mounting screws and extend or retract fasteners to match the door thickness. When the jamb is non-standard because of molding or an uneven surface, consider surface-mounted reinforcement devices that attach to the face of the jamb rather than requiring a routed pocket. For doors with glass panels or narrow stile widths, use low-profile or narrow-body reinforcement hardware designed to clear glazing and avoid stressing the glass. Measure the stile width and match hardware specifications. If the frame is metal or hollow core, use through-bolt installations with backing plates or angled brackets that transfer load to solid backing behind the metal rather than relying on sheet metal screws. If off-the-shelf parts still do not work, plan a minimal custom modification such as relocating the strike pocket or installing a thin plywood or metal backing within the jamb to provide a secure anchor. When doing this, select corrosion-resistant fasteners and pre-drill holes to avoid splitting or warping the door or frame. Common mistakes include choosing hardware that fits the door thickness but not the style or jamb profile, which leads to weak anchoring. Fix this by measuring all critical dimensions and selecting plates and strikes that specify compatibility with your profile. Another frequent issue is attempting to mount heavy reinforcement on hollow cores or thin metal without using through bolts and backing plates, which results in fastener pullout. The remedy is to add internal backing or use long through bolts that clamp to a solid plate. People also sometimes over-modify the door with large routs or remove structural material that weakens the door. Avoid that by planning minimal material removal, using surface-mounted options when possible, and consulting a carpenter or locksmith for one-off modifications. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors, where we can find localized options and share experiences about non-standard door security hardware. We host a discussion community so we can ask questions, compare products, and get practical advice from others who solved similar fitting challenges.